Yep. Yep, next time. Alright, let's come up here and stop. Okay, stop over here. And turn this way. Turn right here. Good job. Okay. Alright guys, say hi.
Hi, Dad.
How you doing?
Good.
Alright.
I'm about to fall forward, but...
Yeah. Nope. Good posture. Nope, not yet. Okay, here's the big turn down here. You ready?